Do you have an outstanding product or service, but you're frustrated because your competitors are relentlessly undercutting you? Do you feel like you're on a never-ending treadmill, keeping one step ahead, and as soon as you launch a new product, feature, or benefit, your competitors are breathing down your neck, hammering down the market price, and sabotaging your work to increase your customer base and grow your sales? Technology branding needs to fend off competitors, many of whom are producing similar technologies, by creating a greater perceived difference, so you're not merely competing on a price-driven sliding scale of features and benefits. It's also essential for customer attraction and retention. Most importantly, branding enables technology businesses to communicate the value of their product, which is often not obvious to customers. In branding, there are things that are seen on the surface, like the visual assets of a brand, so most people associate branding with logos and design. The fact is, they are merely the visual identifiers, not the brand. In fact, branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business. So getting your brand strategy right, particularly in a technology business, is critical to your success. Branding is way more than just design. In fact, it's a complex specialist field because the power of real branding lies in less obvious factors with a multi-layered sophistication that's often only registered in our subconscious minds. These less obvious multi-layered elements are what constitute and underpin the power of successful branding, the psychology of powerhouse branding. Branding helps technology businesses by creating perceived difference and challenging bigger players. Branding helps you disrupt what's already been disrupted. Branding helps you secure your company's success long-term by establishing your value as a brand, not as a commodity. Hi, my name is Lorraine Carter, founder of Persona Branding and Design. I have over 20 years of award-winning branding expertise working nationally and internationally with many household names, and I'd love to share some of that big brand know-how with you now, so you can unlock the systems and processes used to increase your brand value and sales. If you're a venture-backed tech startup, then this is particularly relevant to you because 75% of tech startups fail. So you absolutely want to stack the odds in your favor. To discover more about the science used in technology brand strategy, click the link for more details and get my complimentary download worksheet so you can unlock the systems and processes used to stand out, command a premium, create irresistible customer brand experiences, long-term customer loyalty, and increase your sales.